Tax Champion here today to talk to you about Single Touch Payroll. Single Touch Payroll is due to come in on the 1st of July 2018 for those businesses with more than 20 employees. For those businesses with less than 20 employees, it's touted to come in Single Touch Payroll on the 1st of July 2019. So it's not law yet for those smaller businesses. There's a bit of history with Single Touch Payroll, and we need to go back to about the year 1999, 2000, when that erstwhile politician Johnny Howard was running the country as Prime Minister. And during his tenure, of course, in the year 2000, we copped the GST, and we're just used to that today. And also about 1999, Johnny put in those fantastic small business capital gains tax concessions for small business. So all of that hard work and toil you're doing over the years, and hopefully you've got a growing business out of it that can take advantage of those concessions one day. So that was a really good thing at the time. But Johnny's got a brother, Stan, and Stan was running a business at that time that actually went under. So it was a reasonable sized business, got into some financial trouble, and the business went under. But Stan had some unpaid entitlements to his people. So it's probably a combination, I think, at the time at, I think it was super, PAYG withholding tax and redundancy. So now don't quote me on this, but actually I am quoting, Johnny brought in some laws, or he was the push to bring in some laws to cover those entitlements which were unpaid on behalf of employees when a company liquidation happened. And those key entitlements for super PAYG withholding and some redundancies, they're covered by the GEARS program, which was brought in with Johnny Howard's push. And the GEARS is an acronym, G-E-E-R-S. You'll have to Google it to get what every one of those letters means. But essentially, it covers those entitlements if a company goes into liquidation. Now, the main taxes that are trying to be covered by GEARS, and we want really covered by our clients at Paris Financial and certainly small businesses, is that monthly and quarterly superannuation and PAYG withholding tax. And Single Touch Payroll is going to really go a long way to help fix that. We think it's fantastic for small business in Australia. It keeps you on top of your obligations, and yes, there's more demands on your cash flow, but that's really important that you keep on top of it. So previously, before Single Touch Payroll, and we've seen it a lot over the years at Paris Financial, is that some businesses, they let their superannuation slide and they don't pay it, and sometimes it happens with PAYG withholding tax. They're concentrating on other areas of their business, and this is a key area. I mean, they are your employees. They should be the most important asset in your business. They certainly are in our business. Our people are our number one thing in our business. They should be in yours. You need to cover their superannuation and their PAYG withholding tax, all of their entitlements, their holidays. You want to encourage their holidays and all those sorts of things for your people. So with Single Touch Payroll, they are demanding, the tax office now, that you link in with your payroll systems, and as soon as you push the pay button after the 1st of July 2018, the tax office is getting information, whether that's weekly, fortnightly or monthly, whenever your pay run is. The tax office will be getting that information about super and PAYG withholding tax, and they'll expect that to be paid. So what do? So from the 1st of July 2018, you have to be ready. So go to your bookkeeper right now, over the next month, in April, May, get to your bookkeeper, talk to them about the software that you're running, whether it's MYOB, Reckon, QuickBooks, SASU, Xero, whatever you're using. Go to your bookkeeper, ask them about Single Touch Payroll. They're probably talking to you about it already. Get yourself set up. Even if you've got less than 20 employees, get yourself set up now. And I really think, and this is no April Fool's message, I really think that this is good for small business, it's good for Australia, and get out and do it. This has been the Tax Champion.